Yeah, Emil
Emil here.
Jose, Emil, yeah.
Yes. Doctor, so speaking about the attitude part, like everyone have different attitudes. It can be related to their background, their educational background, their home country, or the people they have spent their lives with. Many things. So moving ahead, like when years go by, like we tend to say that attitude is like a character which sticks to you. However you are, that will be you. And to change your attitude and change according to the demand of life or our passion or however expectations we have. So that character and attitude, how will we manage as you told, the positive attitude which we need to move forward to find any solution to our problem in life.
Emil,
So,
what we
yeah,
the way we respond to the situations are our behavior patterns. That keeps changing, depends on same Emil. To me, the way you are responding is not the way you respond to the closest classmate who studied with you at some point of time.
sure, yes,
So we know it's like a different role play. We have, that is what is called consciousness. That's what is
okay,
our way of behavior keeps changing. It's like a drama. As the drama is over, we take a different role. When I speak to you, probably I'm talking like a teacher, I'm talking like a mentor. When I meet my guru, my master, I will become a disciple. I will become a student under him. When I go to my kids, I will become a father. When I go to my eldest brother, I will become a younger brother. So we
yes,
know when we meet the boss, we behave like a subordinate. When we meet our subordinate, I behave like a boss. That is our ability. That consciousness we have, as together we have. So it is not, when I am behaving in some fashion, that means I am only taking my liberty more. I presume this is how you expect me to do it. Or maybe for longer time I have to hold you, I will have to give a demand. So I will tell you, I will not accept you as it is because I am supposed to deal with you for longer time. So let me tell what I expect from you. That declaration of expectation is what is mistaken by many people as scolding, getting anger and all that. Suppose you have patience to understand the other person, this is what my discipline, this is what my value, and this is the role which I am trying to play. If that dialogue can be agreed, then fine. But some people don't agree it, and therefore conflict comes. So if they don't, then what you should do is accept them as they are. It is nothing wrong in getting angry because everyone is emotional. So
yes,
everyone can have dukkham, sukham, Vita, Raga, Bhaya, Krodham. These are all part of everyday's activity. If that is not there, you are a vegetable man. I have to show love. I also have to show anger. But how long I have to show? Should I say that no, it's okay? Now let us come back to the normals. If that cannot be done, some people are very arrogant because that's how they are. That is what is being social. How do we, a young child 3 years, they get everything what they want because parents give them. From 3 years to 6 years, they interact with others. So somebody, a child gets everything, the other child also get what they want. So they will start grabbing with between. If the young childhood from, that's why I've got a very specific program to age 3 to grade 3. That's a time when emotional balance have to learn. You should learn how to lose things. If that is not being taught, even in a dining table, they will only pick up what they want. They don't even share to somebody else. They don't even ask and look at whether your neighbor require it or not. When did you learn this? Age 3 to grade 3.
yes,
Understood? Assume that you are being taken care of by a servant maid in your age 3 to grade 3. They will become selfish because they know
exactly,
that my servant maid will always give me. But assume that age 3 to grade 3 you have been taken or grown up with your younger brothers, younger sisters, and you are the elder one, you will start sharing. So we know the
yes,
people in which background they have been grown up by looking at their attitude even in a dining table. And when do you want to correct
sure,
it?
sure.
May not be impossible to correct at the age of 40. Age of 30 you get
Yeah, this
married
is
and
where
your
I am
spouse doesn't
this is
do
where I'm
that.
into like
You have to
sorry
agree. Yeah,
when the
you have to agree saying that no, but you may show sometime this is what I expect. But then, yeah, fine. Let me, that's it.
because we also see attitudes across us, so just to understand how to manage it.
Yeah.
That's,
It's
thank you,
all,
thank
it's
you,
all,
thank you.
it's all the attitude setting which happens in the childhood. Very difficult.
Yeah.
But behavior will keep changing. The same person in the boss, to please the boss, they will serve them. But you may not get it because just you are a subordinate. Understood? So it all depends on
Thank you.
which culture, with whom you have been grown up.